What is up, everyone? We are now in part 3. If you haven't watched part 2 or 1 to see how we got to this point, go watch those again. Now we're going to be doing the drop idea, so getting some bass sounds going. Right now it's a snoozer. We just have a low saw playing through. We obviously need some bass sounds going through the drop to give it a little more excitement. So let's delete all this. And drop it down 2 octaves. So on these, I do like to do a little more crazy LFOs. We can drag that over though. So it's still pretty basic, but I also like to, so we'll do saw bass, and then this is gonna be like an actual crazier bass. Bass sounds, even though it's a sound. So we'll close that off. So now what I like to do is I like to go through our FM sounds, wavetables, and get a crazy sound going. So as you see, just the wavetable position with what little processing we did adds a lot. And if we go over again, we could also add progressive elements to the drum. So I like it about right there. But for the drums, start adding that bounce element. So and same with the hi-hat. We could do like a nice shuffle with it. So if we let's listen to what we have so far, and then we can start tying in elements to get to that drop. So an idea I got was adding another bass sound to the drop. And on this, we'll do like a wobble fill to, give it change up when it switches over. So again, I go to the FM wavetables, which we do have for sale on our site. So if you just want to just buy the wavetables or the full pack of presets, you could do that. But I want to do a little bit of sound designing. We may go through the presets and fill it up. So we're gonna do something like that. I'm gonna save this. All right, so I saved this LFO, and now I'm gonna go through some presets of our pack. So like that works, but not that sound. Maybe. We'll save that as a maybe. And keep going. Alright, so after doing some, digging for sounds, I came up with this preset, main house from the pack. I put in the LFO onto it, and then I did some EQing LFO movement. I also made it half the length and then dragged these notes back out. And then I'm going to layer this up, see what it sounds like. And take off all the bass on it though. And I kind of like how it kind of like adds a flow to it. So that's it for the drop section. It is coming together. In the next video, we're going to do some structuring, and I'll start adding these chops in there, and then we will have a full half of the song complete. And then, the second half is just copy, pasting, and making progressive changes, or changing the drop but keeping everything else the same. So if you like what you've seen and you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button, drop a thumbs up if you like this video or any of our other videos. I'll see you all in part 4, where we start structuring out the rest of the song. Thanks for watching. Peace.